Hi everyone, this is Team Club Manager, and our proposed web application is an all-in-one CCA management platform that consists of all essential functions required by most CCAs in NUS. You may observe that some of our functions, such as announcements, can be done through Telegram or files can be done via Microsoft Teams, but there lacks a platform that encompasses all the most essential functions. So we as Club Manager aim to fill this gap. We have also interviewed many CCA ESCOs to discuss what features are needed the most so as to tailor our app to fit NUS context. We're using React as front-end developer and Supabase as the back-end, which contains our authentication tools, database, and file storage. The functions provided by Club Manager could be generalized as interactions between regular members and managers. Managers could be seen as the content creator, while members are only content viewers and they can only give responses if required. Each user can have many CCAs and they can have either manager or member roles in each CCA that they are in. For manager roles, they can access more functions than members, such as financials and membership information, and they'll be able to modify content which is out of reach from members. The information for each CCA is isolated from one another, and CCAs are independent of each other. Okay, so let's go for a walkthrough. The important thing to note is that you have to use a valid email to register for a new account, as otherwise you won't be able to receive any verification email, and in that case you won't be able to log into our application. After you have logged in, if you have not completed your profile, you will not be able to access any function of the application. This is because we need to ascertain the identity of the user before they can proceed to take any action. Please use a valid email and key in a valid year value. After this, you will be directed to your CCA dashboard. Here, you can join CCAs via codes shared by the CCA ESCOs, and here we will test it by using the code for Test CCA. The code is also available in our README section. Alternatively, you can create your own CCA with a name that is distinct from existing CCAs. You also cannot join the same CCA twice. Let's go to Test CCA to have a look at the manager interface. On the home page, we can see events being displayed on the calendar. By clicking these events, members can indicate their interest in each event, and the manager could be able to see who is interested in attending the events accordingly. We can also create new events by filling up the event name, description, and details, and select a date for them. On the right half of the page is the announcement list. There will be title and content. The timestamp as well as the creator will be recorded and displayed at the bottom accordingly. The most recently created or edited announcement will be placed at the top. For example, if I edit this announcement, it will be shown up to the top to remind users of the fact that it has been modified. We can always create a new announcement by clicking the popover. We can also search for announcements using keywords. Please note that our search engine is case insensitive, meaning that searching 1 is the same as searching 1 in capital letters. We can participate in polls as well as by creating polls. We can always modify our options before the polls are closed. The poll results will also be updated to our Supabase backend. Managers can also see the number of votes for each option. Note that each user is only allowed to vote for one option. However, the users are allowed to update their votes before the poll deadline. The user could click the refresh button to refresh the poll results in a bar chart. If the user clicked the submit or update button several times, only the first time could be effective and a success message would be shown on the top. Subsequent clicks on the button will not change the database records, and there will be a no access message triggered. Next, we have files management, where managers can download, upload, or move files. They can create a new folder where its name cannot be an empty string. You can upload files into the folder, but duplicate files will not be accepted. You can also move files into other folders if there are no files containing the same name, or else there will be errors. You can download files as well. You'll also be able to delete the file as well as deleting the folder. For the membership page, managers can see the CCA code and share with prospective members for joining, and they can also modify user states as managers or downgrade them to members or even remove them from your organization. For the financial page, You can create new financial records on the financial form. You must key in the event name and select a tag for the form to be recorded. You can also visualize the financial data through pie charts of cost percentage by category, as well as seeing a line graph of cost for each category across time. Let's proceed to try the Members UI by switching CCA in the Profile section. Note that members cannot manage membership or see CCA financials information. They will also not be able to create any content except by participating in polls and indicating attendance. You can update your information in the profile page too. That's all about our website. Thanks for watching.